Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to pay with cash in the Uber app. So let's start the video. So, first of all, open the Uber app, just click it open, let it load. After some time, what you need to do is basically this is your user interface, and this is the search bar where you can search for any sort of things. Now while I'm gonna search here, I wanna go somewhere, so I answer home. I have searched and it's showing personal option, Paytm. Now what you basically need to do is just select and open this personal option. After opening this option, here you will see bunch of other options like Uber Cash, Paytm Cash. Now what we need to do is we want to pay by cash. So just click on cash. Okay, then it will automatically apply. Click on the close button. Then you can see it loading, and now what you need to do is just travel with you need to do is just wait a second, it's causing issue. Yeah, let it load. Okay, huh. Now what you need to do is book the ride, and after doing this, you just need to pay with cash. It will automatically ask for the cash. You need to give the driver the cash. So this is how you pay by cash in the Uber app. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Do subscribe.